Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to automatically add caption to your videos using the ZEEMO AI in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, click Upload Video to create a new project. Select a video from your album or files. Then click Edit Now to open the video editor. You can generate the caption automatically by click the Locate Subtitles at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then click the auto under the speech to the text section. Choose the language or voice type for accurate transcription. Click Recognize to auto-generate caption. Then modify any incorrect words in the subtitles. Adjust the font, color, size, and style to match your video's theme. And once you're satisfied with the caption, click Export. Your video with subtitle is now ready to download or share. And the bonus tip, with extra feature in ZEEMO AI, you can custom subtitle styles to make your video stand out. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.